Hey guys, today let's learn how to get Gemini AI on your iPhone. This is going to be a pretty easy tutorial because all we need to do is to download the Google application on our iPhone device first. So I want you to hop onto the App Store, do a quick search of the Google application, and once you're already there, go on over on this application. Of course, choose the Google application, not Google Chrome, not Gmail, or any of the other Google applications. Just tap on Google and make sure that you have the latest version installed on your device. Once you're done, let's open this application, and in order for us to access Gemini AI is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to tap on this diamond icon or star icon, and that's going to take us to Google Gemini. As you would see, let's just tap on use Gemini, and all we need to do from here is to enter our prompt. We could actually talk using the microphone or also share a physical photo that we could actually take using this camera icon. And essentially that is all for this video. All we need to do next is to send it, and that's how you guys could easily access and get Gemini on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.